Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make an account inactive or active again in QuickBooks Online. This simple and quick process is perfect for cleaning up your records or reorganizing your accounts, helping you keep everything neat and efficient. First, open QuickBooks Online and click on the sign-in button on the homepage. Make sure to select QuickBooks Online if you have multiple sign-in options. Enter your username and password, then click Continue to access your account. Always double-check your login details to avoid any issues. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main dashboard with an overview of your financial information. Next, navigate to the Transactions tab. Here, you'll find the tools to manage your accounts effectively. From the options, select Chart of Accounts. This page lists all the accounts you've created for your business. To change an account's status, look for the drop-down menu on the right side of the account you want to manage. Click it, and you'll see the option Make Inactive. Selecting this will bring up a confirmation message. You can either confirm by choosing Yes, Make Inactive, or decide to keep it active. Remember, making an account inactive removes it from active lists, giving you a cleaner and more organized view of your current accounts. If you ever need to reactivate the account, just revisit the chart of accounts, locate the inactive account, and select Make Active. This flexibility helps you maintain accurate and up-to-date financial records. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to manage account statuses in QuickBooks Online, keeping your finances organized and efficient. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more QuickBooks tips and tutorials.